Dear students, let us study the class 4 EVS chapter, that is chapter 7 from the window. This chapter is a continuation of the last chapter. So which was the last chapter we studied? That is Omna's journey, is it? So in the last chapter we saw that Omna was writing a diary for her friend. Who is her Omna's friend? That is Radha, right? So Omna was writing a diary for her friend Radha about her journey. Her friend Radha had not went along with Omna because she had got her leg fractured. So Omna had started her journey on 16th May and today it is 17th May. So Omna has completed her one day of her journey. Today is her second day of her journey. Okay, let us see now what Omna has written in her diary about second day journey. Okay, yes, so it is 17th May, that is second day of Omna's journey. So the timing is 7:30 a.m. because it is morning. Okay, so it is morning now. Last night I went to sleep early. It was too dark to see anything outside. So at night when she was traveling, when she saw out of the window, so it was dark because it was night. So when the train stopped early this morning, I woke up. So Omna woke up. It was Madgaon. So she saw outside on the platform, it was written Madgaon. That was written on the board at the platform. Appa said that we were going through the state of Goa. Okay, so as she got up in the morning, outside she saw on the platform it was written Madgaon. So Appa told her that we are going through the state of Goa. Let us locate now in the map of India where the Goa state is. You can see here Omna had started her journey from Gujarat. So from here, that is from Ahmedabad, and went through Maharashtra and she entered later and she reached Goa state now. So now in the morning she is at Goa. Now let us see next what happened. So we got off at the station and had some hot tea and filled our water bottles. So in the morning as they got up, there was Madgaon station they were, and they got down of the train and they had some hot tea and they filled their water bottles. So in the railway platform there will be, you can see here in the picture where the water bottles can be filled. Okay, so this will be there in the railway station, water facility will be there. Okay, so later the train started again. I find it difficult to describe the scene outside. It is so beautiful. So Omna now she is describing the scenery which she is looking from the window while traveling. So she is telling that it is so beautiful she cannot describe it. So it is green everywhere, fields with red soil and green crops, and the hills covered with trees. So you can see in the picture here, so it looks very beautiful, right? So it looks very greenery outside, so it is green everywhere, and the fields with red soil and the hills which is covered with trees. So you can see in this picture where the hills are covered with trees and the red fields with red soil. So Omna is describing about the scenery which she is seeing from the window while traveling. Next, let us see what happened. Sometimes I can see small ponds and far away, behind the hills, more water. I can't make out if it is a river or the sea. The air is cooler and not so dry as in Ahmedabad. So, in Ahmedabad, it is very dry. So, now while she is traveling from the state of Goa, she is telling that here the climate is cool. It is cool and the air is not so dry as in Ahmedabad. Later, the train passed a level crossing. So, you can see here a train is crossing here. Level crossing it is called as. Let us see later what is level crossing. Here the people are waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. As the train passes, here the vehicles have to move. So there are buses full of people, cars, trucks and auto rickshaws, cycle, motorcycles, scooters and even tangas and bullock carts. So who are waiting at the level crossing to cross the train. So as the train passes here, later the gates will be removed so that they can pass through. So here, what is level crossing? So level crossing is a place where railway line crosses a road at the same level. Okay, so railway bridge, it is a railway line which crosses a road, which moves on a road at the same level. Okay, where the vehicles are also passing on the same road. Okay, so it is called as level crossing. So next let us see what happened. So some people do not switch off the engine of their vehicle even while waiting at the level crossing. So when they are waiting at the level crossing, their vehicles are not going to switch off the engine. There is lot of smoke and noise, you can see here. So the vehicles are producing lot of smoke and also noise. I see some people going under the bars of the level crossing. So in this picture you can see the gate is closed, still this fellow is crossing the level crossing, right? So how dangerous this is? It is very dangerous to cross when there is a train crossing, right? So at the railway crossing we have to stop for a while till the gate is open. So otherwise what happens? Suddenly the train may come off while passing. So this man is in hurry so that he is just passing through this gate. So it is too dangerous, which we must not do. Okay, we have to wait for some time till the gates are open so that the train will pass through. So there are some people who go under the bar of the level crossing. It is very dangerous. Okay. At times our train crosses another train. Unni and I tried to count the carriage in one such train. But both the trains were so fast, we always got confused. So what this Unni tried? So as the train was moving, there was a train which is crossing another train. So Omna was in one train, nearby the another train was crossed. So that time Omna and Unni tried to count the carriages in the passing train. So whether it is possible to count the carriage? No, because both the trains are going so fast so that we will get confused whether we have counted the number of carriages. So what is carriage? Train carriage means it is a compartment of the train which has sitting and sleeping facilities for train travelers. So there are different train carriage. So there is a sleeper coach and also there is AC compartment and all in a train, right? So there is second class, first class, different carriages are there. Okay. So it is called as carriage, where there is a sitting and sleeping facility for the train travelers. Now let us see the question here. What was the difference in the scene that Omna saw from the train on the first day and on the second day. So what is the difference? So the difference is on the first day of her Omna's journey, she saw the fields were dry and brown, is it? But on the second day of her journey, she saw that the fields were with red soil and the hills were covered with trees. Okay. Next, Omna saw many kinds of vehicles at the level crossing. Which of them run on diesel or petrol? So at the level crossing, she saw different vehicles, right? For example, she saw car, truck, auto rickshaw, cycle, motorcycle, scooter, etc. So now let us see which is using diesel or which vehicles are using petrol to run. So buses, trucks and few cars run on diesel, while scooter, cars, motorcycles, etc. which run on petrol. So different vehicles, buses, trucks run on diesel, and the small vehicles where it run on petrol. Okay. So next question, why was there so much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing? So why it was? Because the people did not switch off the engine of their vehicles even while waiting at the railway crossing. So there was much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing. Okay. What can we do to reduce such noise of vehicle and save petrol and diesel? Only thing is we have to switch off the engine of the vehicle when they are waiting for level crossing, and should not horn. Some of them, they know that they are standing at the level crossing, still they will be horning, right? So we must not do, so that we can save the fuel by offing the engine of the vehicle when not needed. That means when we are waiting at the level crossing or when we are waiting for someone. So we have to switch off the engine so that we can save the fuel, that is petrol and diesel. Okay. Sometimes people cross the tracks even when the crossing is closed. Already I showed you the picture. When the gate is closed, still the person was just passing the gate with his motorbike, is it? So what do you feel about this? It is very dangerous, right? So people should not cross the railway track while crossing is closed. That means it becomes very dangerous. Yeah, it may be fatal. No one should take such a risk. So what may happen? The train may suddenly pass through when they are crossing. So it is very dangerous to cross the track even when the crossing is closed. Okay. So let us see next what happened. Later, I was sitting near the window with my eyes closed. So now it is morning 8:30 a.m. Okay. So suddenly the sound of the moving train changed. So could. I opened my eyes. Guess what I saw? Our train was crossing a big river on a very long bridge. Children, whether you have seen the bridge, railway bridge, where it is made up of iron, is it? Iron materials are used. So as it was crossing the bridge, it sounded very different. So what was the sound heard by Omna? That was could. The wheels rattled. So this sound is the rattling sound of the train when it is crossing the bridge. As there was no ground, only the tracks and the water down below. So when I first looked down, I felt giddy, right? When we look into the river at some height, so we feel like giddiness, right? So it was really quite scary. We feel scared. The river down below was full of water and had some boats. I could also see some fishermen who were fishing, right? So she waved at them, but I did not know if they could see me. So here you can see two kinds of bridges. This is a bridge which is built over the river, which is made up of iron. Here also you can see this is the bridge where it is used to cross. This vehicles are moving on this bridge. It is made up of cement and bricks. Cement bridge it is. So on the river crossing it is where the vehicles, here the train passes through this bridge. Okay. So Omna, while passing this bridge, what she did? She looked down, so she felt giddy, and also she saw some fishermen who were fishing there. She tried to wave at them. She just made a one by, but I did not know if they could see me. So there was no response from the fishermen. So I think they did not see Omna. So they did not respond. Alongside our bridge there was another bridge for buses and car. So where the bus and car which run on this kind of bridge. This was built differently from ours because this is made up of iron. It is built over the river to pass the train. Here this is the bridge, cement bridge which is built to pass the vehicles. Okay. So this was built differently from ours. I think going over our bridge was more adventurous because near the train it is made up of iron. As the train rattling sound, it made the sound, train made the sound kud. So on the ground it is the sound of the train is different compared to the when it is traveling on this bridge. So what is rattling sound of the train? You can see here, this is the wheels of the train on which is moving on the track. Okay, the loud sound a train wheels make when it is moving on an iron bridge having no ground. So when the bridge is crossing over the river, so under that track there is no ground. So that time kud sound is heard. So that sound is called as rattling sound of train's wheel. Okay. So you can see the bridge here. It is made over the river which is made up of iron. So bridge are of tall structure that allow the people or vehicle to cross from one side to the another side. Let us see the next. Some questions are given. It is in page number 56. So have you seen any bridge? Where? Yes, I have seen many bridges while going to my grandparents' home in a train. Dear children, this is not the compulsory answer which you have to write. If you have any other answer, you can write your own answer for this. Okay, if you have seen any bridge, then you have to write where it is you have seen. I have written the general answer here. Have you ever crossed a bridge? If yes, write yes. If no, write no. Where? So, yes, I have crossed a cement bridge while coming to school and also in my train journey. So, if you have a train journey, there are some bridges which the train crosses. Okay. What was the bridge built over? The bridges was built over a river. Generally, it is built over a river. What did you see below the bridge? So I saw water and some boats below the bridge. So this is what Omna also had seen, right? So when we are crossing over the bridge, if it is made built over the river, that time we see the water bodies and also we see some boats sailing, right? Find out why bridges are made. Why bridges are made? It is made for people to cross from one place to another or over a river. Okay. Next, let us see what happened. So on 17th May, it was 11:30. The last few hours have been so exciting. After breakfast, I climbed onto the upper berth to read my comics. So this was given by her friend, Omna's friend, that is Sunil and Ann had given her comics. It was bright and sunny outside. Suddenly everything became dark. So what happened? Now the train is entering the tunnel. It also felt a little cold inside because these tunnels are made which is going through the mountain, passage of the mountain. Okay. I was afraid. Then the lights in the train came on, but outside it was very dark. Somebody said, "We have entered a tunnel. This goes right through the mountain." So this tunnel is made to cross the mountain. So while we are doing a train journey, we are crossing through some large and small tunnels, okay, where we are crossing through the mountains. The tunnel seemed to go on, and then just as suddenly we were in a daylight again. Outside it was sunny, bright and green. So inside the mountain there is a space which is done. So what happens there? It is too cool, okay, and also there is no sunlight which reaches inside, right? So it is very dark. Later the train had crossed the tunnel. Appa explained that we were on the other side of the mountain. So they have already crossed the tunnel now. Since then we have passed through 4 smaller tunnels. Now I am enjoying going through the tunnels. So it is very enjoying when we pass through the tunnel. Suddenly it will be very cool inside the tunnel. So you can see here, this is a tunnel. Tunnel is a passage built through a hill. Okay. Also in not only for train, also for some vehicles also there will be some small tunnels where the roads will go above. That time also the tunnel is made. So generally it is made to pass through the train through the mountains. Okay. So a tunnel is a passage built through a hill. Have you ever been through a tunnel? How did you feel? Please write your general answer. I'll give some answers here. Yes, I have been through a tunnel. In the beginning, I used to feel nervous, but not anymore because I know it is all safe. After passing through the tunnel, we can come outside again. Okay. The route from Goa to Kerala has totally 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? So in the route of Goa to Kerala, the train has to pass through sea coast. Okay, many water bodies and hills. So to cross them, there are so many bridges and tunnels which are made. Okay, so they are traveling from Gujarat now. They were at Goa, right? Now they are traveling to Kerala. So while passing here from Goa to Kerala, so they had crossed number of tunnels and bridges. So why? Because here train crossing a bridge there are more number of sea coast where they have to pass. The train has to pass through that sea coast. So due to that reason, number of bridges they are passing through. Okay. So tunnel is a passage built through the mountain. So here from Goa to Kerala, there are more sea coast, small rivers where the bridges are used to cross that small rivers. Okay. So that is why there are number of bridges and tunnels where they have to pass through mountains and rivers. Now let us see next what happened. Now it is afternoon. For lunch, we had idli vada that we bought from Udupi station. So you can see here, this is the Udupi station where on the platform there is a board which is written Udupi, right? So at lunch they had idli vada. So you can see they had the lunch that is idli vada. We also bought some bananas. They had also bought some bananas. These were very small and very tasty. So the bananas were very tasty. The Omna is telling it was small but also it is very tasty. And the scene outside has changed again. Now we can see many coconut trees and green fields everywhere. So now the mountains and all she cannot see now. Now she is seeing coconut trees and green fields everywhere. Amma says that these are paddy fields. So later Omna's Amma told it is paddy fields. Paddy means batta, right? So the houses and villages look very different. People's clothes are also different from what we see in Ahmedabad. So in Ahmedabad they see this kind of clothes where they are wearing, right? So dhoti like, and their ladies are using lehenga, right? Lehenga cholis they are using in Ahmedabad. Now most people are wearing white or cream colored dhotis and saris they are wearing. So here you can see, here as they are seeing cream colored sari and cream colored dhotis they are wearing. So now Omna is explaining about the type of dress they wear. So many people who were with us from Ahmedabad have got off. People have also got on the train from different stations. So some of them have got off the station and some of them have got into the train at different station. Now Sunil's family is getting off at Kozhikode. So children, you can see this map in Kerala, the place Kozhikode. So where Sunil family is getting off. So which comes at around 6 o'clock. Okay. So we have exchanged the address and planned to meet in Ahmedabad. So Sunil family has exchanged the address with Omna and they have planned to meet in Ahmedabad. You will also like Sunil and An. So here this is a place where Sunil and An are going to get off from the train, that is Kozhikode. Okay. So which language do you speak at home? Some of them may speak Kannada, some of them may speak Konkani, or some of them may speak Urdu, Marathi and all, right? So please write the own answer which you are speaking, which language do you use at home. That language you have to write. If it is Kannada, yes, you write I speak Kannada at home, or if I speak Konkani at home, like that, okay? On next question, on the way from Gujarat to Kerala, Omna's train went through several states of our country. Find out at least which state it crossed. So the train started from Gujarat and crossed Maharashtra, later Goa, after Goa, Karnataka, and later it entered Kerala. Okay, so Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. So these are the different states where the journey was made by Omna in the train. Did you ever have coconut water? How did you find it? Discuss. So when it is too hot, we feel to drink coconut water. It feels very sweet and it refreshes us. It is a refreshing our mind, right, and body also. Draw a coconut tree and discuss in the class about it. So try to draw in your notebook the coconut tree, okay? So let it be neat and also try to discuss it. So what is the uses of coconut tree? And in Kerala we can see the coconut tree more. There are more number of coconut trees which we can see in the state of Kerala, okay? Next, find out in which state these languages are spoken. So Malayalam, where it is spoken? It is spoken in Kerala. Konkani, it is in Goa. Marathi in Maharashtra. Gujarati is spoken in Gujarat. And last, it is Kannada, which is spoken in Karnataka. Okay. So please write down which is in page number 59. Okay. Next, let us see what happened. Now it is at night. So it is, what is the timing? On 17th May, night, the last, that is 9:30 p.m. It is 9:30 p.m. at night. We have also started packing up. Now, here the time has come to got down of the train. So now Omna has to got down of the train. Now the time has come The train will reach Kottayam in about 3 hours. Again, there are 3 hours to reach Kottayam. That is where we have to get off. So, where is Kottayam? You can see Sunil and An had got down from Kozhikode at Kozhikode. So, now from Kozhikode to Kottayam, they have to come, which is in Kerala only. So, it takes 3 hours to travel from Kozhikode to Kottayam. So, now Omna, they are getting down at Kottayam. Okay. Tonight, we will go to Valiamma's house. After getting down, they are going tonight to Valiamma's house. So, who is Valiamma? Valiamma means mother's elder sister. Mother's elder sister is called as Valiamma. Omna's mother's elder sister she is talking about. Okay. So, Valiamma's house they are going tonight. Tomorrow, we will take the bus that will take us to Ammumma's village. So, Ammumma means mother's mother or grandmother. We say in Malayalam, they will call Ammumma. Okay. It is in Malayalam, this they are going to call Ammumma for grandmother, mother's mother. So, this side you may call Ajji, right? So, it is Ammumma. They are going to Ammumma's village tomorrow. We all are quite tired. So, it is the second day of our journey, right? So, they have completed the second day of our journey. They are tired now. After all, we have been on the train for 2 days. What a long journey it has been. So, 2 days journey, very long journey it is, right? We had a lot of fun. So, in a train journey, they had lot of fun. She was writing a diary for her friend Radha. So, I will put my diary away now. So, now she has got tired, right? After traveling for 2 days. So, I will write again after we reach Ammumma's house. So, now after getting down at Kottayam, they are going to Valiamma's house, means Omna's mother's elder sister's house. And tomorrow they are going to grandmother's house, that is Ammumma's house. Okay. So, now she has put down the diary and they are going to Valiamma's house. Let us see later what happens when they reach to Ammumma's house. That is the third day of Omna's journey in the next chapter. Okay. Now, here you can see your mother's sister. You have to write what do you call for your mother's sister, your mother's mother, your father's sister and your father's mother. Okay. You have to write your own answer. What do you call for your mother's sister and what you are going to call your mother's mother. For example, if Ajji or whatever it is, you have to write it. Okay, this is the work which you have to write in page number 59 of your EVS textbook. Okay, so thank you. Hope you all have understood. In the next chapter, let us see the third day of Omna's journey.